protein folding is assisted by the chaperone, which prevents the segments of a nascent chain from misfolding. Okay, I said that the misfolding or not may be unfolding situation. An important chaperone, that is HSP70 family, that is the BIP, that present in the endoplasmic reticulum. This belongs to the family of HSP70. Okay, and that remains in the lumen of the ER. This binds newly synthesized proteins as these are translocated into the ER and maintains them in unfolded state. Okay. So its function is that it tries to always the protein molecules to remain in unfolded state. Clear? So this is one kind of chaperone molecule, and it helps the protein molecule to remain in the unfolded state. Where? In the endoplasmic reticulum lumen. Clear? Another two chaperone molecules very important, that is the calnexin and the calreticulin. These are two chaperone molecules that present in the endoplasmic reticulum, and they prevent premature and incorrect folding of the segments.